Question number 53. Two pipes A and B can independently fill a tank completely in 20 and 30 minutes respectively. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, how much time will they take to fill the tank completely? So here there are two pipes A and B. A can independently fill the tank completely in 20 minutes and B can independently fill the tank completely in 30 minutes. If both the pipes are opened simultaneously, then how much time will they take to fill the tank completely? That is what we have to find. So A can fill the tank completely in 20 minutes and B can fill the tank completely in 30 minutes. So here I am considering the complete tank capacity equal to F. So first we find how much A can fill the tank in 1 minute and B can fill in 1 minute. Then we find how much both the pipes can fill in 1 minute. Then we find how much time it will take, both the tap will take to completely fill the tank. So first find how much A can fill the tank in 1 minute. For that, take this 20 into right side, then it become in 1 minute A can fill F by 20 parts of the tank. Similarly, in 1 minute B can fill F by 30 parts of the tank. If both the taps are open simultaneously, then in 1 minute both pipes A and B are opened. Then in 1 minute A can fill F by 20 parts of the tank and B can fill F by 30 parts of the tank. So here we have to find how much time they will take to completely fill the tank, that is equal to F. So here we have to find this F. So here we have to find this F. For that, in 1 minute solve this equation and find F. That will be our answer. So for that, take the LCM of 20 and 30, which is equal to 60. Then here it will be 3F plus 2F. 3F divided by 60 equal to F by 20. 2F divided by 60 equal to F by 30. So 3F plus 2F equal to 5F. 5F divided by 60. So in 1 minute it can fill, both the taps can fill, pipes can fill 5F by 60 parts. Then 5F by 60 equal to 12 5s are 60. So we can simplify it as F by 12. So both the pipes can fill F by 12 parts in 1 minute. Then take this 12 to left side. Then we get F equal to 12 minutes. So time taken both the pipes to completely fill the tank equal to 12 minutes when they are opened simultaneously. So our answer is option B, 12 minutes.